Hi, my name is Anna Vukovic and I am a cellular product manager here at Telit. Welcome to this edition of the Telit Coffee Connection series. Today, I will be covering minimizing hardware variants, how to choose the right LTE category for your global IoT deployments. So let's review together some of the aspects you have to consider in order to choose the right LTE category for your application. First of all, which types of data speeds do you need? LTE can range from gigabit speeds of category 18 down to tens or hundreds of kilobits per second available in category M1 and narrowband IoT. For example, devices such as broadband gateways will need the highest categories that are available. Devices like smart meters instead will need the lower categories that can guarantee enough speeds for their needs. In general, the higher is the LTE category, the higher is the cost and the complexity of the device. In lower categories, complexity and cost are lower, and the designs can be optimized in terms of power consumption and in terms of size. This is relevant if your application is battery powered, for example, or if you require a small and compact size device, such in the case of wearables, for example. Another advantage of LTE low categories with respect to higher categories is the coverage enhancement features, which makes it particularly suitable for in-building and underground deployment scenarios. Then, voice and mobility are two other important factors to be considered when choosing the right LTE category. Okay, so does your application need voice capability? Does your application need mobility? In this case, narrowband IoT is not the right choice. The last but not least aspect I would like to cover today is the deployment scenarios. So which coverage to expect? Depending on the countries you are going to deploy in and depending on the mobile network operator you will select, some LTE categories will be available and some may not. For example, Cat1 is today deployed in some countries around the world. Some other countries do deploy narrowband IoT, while in some cases both technologies are deployed at the same time. When looking at category 1 and category 4, we can say that in general they are widely available worldwide, even if there are some mobile operators that do not support both of them. To conclude, with a wide range of technologies, LTE offers an ideal solution for every possible IoT use case. Telit has a wide and comprehensive LTE portfolio, including high-cut and low-cut LTE products. So, that was a quick review of choosing the right LTE category for your global IoT deployments. If you want to learn more, feel free to schedule a meeting with us. Thanks for joining today.